So you've been probably doing a lot of research and you want to find out just how much an animated explainer video costs. This video will explain everything. So how much does an animated explainer video cost? The answer to that question is almost like asking, how much does a car cost? It really depends on a lot of factors. The first factor is how long you want the video to be. This is pretty much going to determine across the board the total overall cost of the video. A good animated explainer video really should be under 2.5 minutes. Studies have shown that people simply lose attention after about 2.5 minutes, so the key is to keep it short and sweet. In fact, many animated videos can get your point across in less than 2 minutes if they're produced correctly. Now, about the cost. The cost of an animated explainer video can be as high as a whopping $75,000. But most animated video companies charge around $3,000 for a 1-minute video, and it generally takes about 3 to 6 weeks to complete. But here's the great news. ividco.com can produce a professional animated explainer video for your product, service, or company in about 7 business days and is far less expensive than about 99% of companies out there. We can do this because everything is done in-house without any outsourcing, and we keep our overhead pretty low. Our process is really easy. Just go to our website, ividco.com, and click on the Contact Us button. Fill out the short form and tell us about your project. From there, we'll do all the rest, and you'll have your video in about 7 business days. We take care of everything, from the script writing to the background music, professional voiceovers, and we deliver your video in 1080p. Nothing could be easier, and everything is included. So go to ividco.com now and click on the Contact Us button.